What? Did you shoot him?
If he shot you, if you're under the table, if he shot you still out, you know he shot him too.
We don't do all the same thing.
No. Oh, you can't?
Yeah, that far away.
Oh, you can, but they're gonna... Go respawn. You get one respawn,
We'll bring you on the out. What? Yeah, orange light. He had his gun pointed at you.
You can only get someone from the back. Oh, okay. If they're facing you, just shoot him. I'm sorry, grab me. We got one on base.
Team has the hill!
Hey, we're going to be right here.